Leres chika, dahil pahilinan pinagdiinang si Belle lang talaga ang gusto niya. Dinerekta niya raw ang mga umaaligid sa kanyang mga girl bebot na si Belle lang talaga ang gusto niya. Saad niya, pretty girls are everywhere. But a woman who truly supports you stands by your side during your lowest moments and silently prays for your success is rare. Her presence is not just about beauty, but about strength, loyalty, and genuine care. She believes in you even when you doubt yourself, pushes you to grow, and celebrates your victories as if they were her own. Such a woman is not just a partner. She is a blessing that adds meaning and purpose to your life. Kaya't hinding-hindi ko ipagpapilit si Belle.